Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today for this look we're going to be using Eye of the Storm by Kylie Jenner. And I don't know if I put my lashes, what lashes I used for the video, but it's my Ardell Wispies. Yeah, Ardell Wispies. Just keep on watching. Thanks. I'm going first into this color. And we're just going to put that in our crease. And then now I'm going to go into this color. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this side and put it on my brow bone real quick. And now blend it all out. And then I'm going to put my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand on my eyelid. And then I'm going to go into the color, either it's called Stormstruck or Moon and Bat. I'm gonna put it on my eyelid. I'm gonna go into Light Year, this one, and we're gonna just put it on our waterline. And then we're gonna grab our blush bar. I'm going to go into California and put that on the apple of my cheeks. I'm going to blend that all out. Now it's time for the glow, the Glowgasm. Now I'm going to go with my mascara, the Revlon Dramatic Definition, and put that on my bottom lashes. Now for the setting spray. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going into Huda Beauty's color Wifey. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below, and just stay tuned for more videos.